Hello friends, this is Florence Noah Christian from K.S. Shroff College. Today I am going to talk about the introduction to matrices. A matrix is an arrangement of numbers in the form of rows and columns enclosed within the square brackets. Now here we can see there are few numbers which are in the form of rows. There are two rows, row 1, row 2, and 4 columns. A matrix in the form of rows and columns, and it is enclosed within the square bracket. And there are 2 rows and 4 columns, hence the order of this matrix is called as 2 by 4. So a matrix is an arrangement of numbers in the form of rows and columns enclosed within the square brackets. We will be seeing few types of matrices. A matrix which has only one row is called as row matrix. Matrix which has only one column is called as column matrix. Zero matrix is a matrix which has all the elements as 0. It can be a square matrix, it can be a rectangular matrix. It can be a row matrix, it can be a column matrix. But if every element of the matrix is 0, then it is called as zero matrix or null matrix. Then a matrix which has diagonal elements exist and all the remaining elements are 0. That is, all the non-diagonal elements are 0, and if diagonal elements exist, then it is called as a diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is called as a scalar matrix if the elements in the diagonal are equal, and if all the elements in the diagonal are 1, then it is called as unit matrix. If there exist elements in the upper triangle, and if the lower below the diagonal elements, if it is 0, then it is called as upper triangular matrix. And similarly, if above the diagonal, if the elements are 0, and if below elements exist along with diagonal, is called as lower triangular matrix. These are only few types of matrices which we are discussed. Now, transpose of a matrix. Interchanging the rows and columns is called as a transpose of a matrix. Now here we see that the first row is 1, 2 and 3. This row is changed as column after equals to, it is 1, 2, 3. First row becomes first column. Second row 4, 5, 6 will become second column, and third row will become third column. So when the rows are converted into columns, that is interchanging the rows and columns, by interchanging the rows and columns, the transpose of a matrix can be obtained. Moving on to the operations on matrices. In this session, we will be seeing addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication. Multiplication of two matrices, just in brief. For that, you will be having one more session. Addition of two matrices. Addition of two matrices can be done only if the order of two matrices are same. Either you can add or subtract two matrices only if the order of two matrices are same. Say for example, if we have 5, 2, 4, 9, 10, minus 3 plus minus 11, 0, 7, 1, minus 6, minus 8. Now I am supposed to add these two matrices. Add the corresponding elements. First row, first column is 5. In the second matrix, first row, first column element is minus 11. So 5 plus minus 11 will give you minus 6. Similarly, first row second column is 2 in first matrix, and in second matrix first row second column is 0. That is 2 plus 0 will give you 2. 4 plus 7 is 11. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus minus 6 is 4. Minus 3 plus minus 8 will give you minus 11. This is how we add two matrices. Similarly, matrix subtraction, the order of two matrices has to be same, and subtract the corresponding elements. That is again first row first column minus first row first column of the second matrix. That is 1 minus 9, 2 minus 8, 3 minus 7 when you are taking first row. When you are coming to the second row, consider the second row of both the matrices. 4 minus 6, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 4. Then third row, 7 minus 3, 8 minus 2 and 9 minus 1, which you will be getting the final answer as minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Coming to scalar multiplication, multiplying any matrix with a single value with a scalar quantity is called as a scalar multiplication. So 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So multiply every element of the matrix with the scalar quantity 2. 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5, 2 into 6, 2 into 7, 2 into 8 and 2 into 9, which will give you 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14, 16, 18. Now multiplication of two matrices will be in the second session of matrix. Hope the introduction to matrices is clear to you. Please subscribe the channel for the further videos. Thank you.